Professionalism is the conduct exhibited in the workplace and includes punctuality, responsibility, and respect. Being professional earns you trust and respect and helps you build strong professional relationships. Employers want professional employees who reflect well on the company and contribute to its success. Here are some guidelines for demonstrating professionalism during the interview. When you schedule the interview, get clear directions and know who you are meeting. Show up to the interview 15 minutes early. If an emergency arises, communicate with the employer and reschedule if possible. Take responsibility by preparing for the interview. First, prepare responses and practice. Second, research the company or organization to understand its mission, products, and services. Third, craft your own questions. Be respectful to everyone you encounter before, during, and after the interview. This includes non-hiring staff like the receptionist, employees, and other people in the building or parking lot. Use polite language, especially please and thank you. During the interview, you may be asked about professionalism with a question like, "Tell me why you left your last job." When presented with a prompt like this, be aware that they are assessing your professionalism. In your response to this question, do the following. First, structure your response using the STAR method. Second, be honest but professional. To do this, give a truthful answer without speaking negatively about your previous employer. Even if you had a negative experience, focus on what you learned rather than what went wrong. Third, focus on the positive. Highlight positive reasons for leaving, such as seeking new challenges, wanting to develop new skills, or advancing in your career. Let's look at a possible response to this prompt and see if the candidate is able to demonstrate professionalism.
Yeah, well, I felt stuck and unvalued. And I'm really interested in learning different aspects of the industry. So I put in my 2 weeks notice, and I'm looking for a job that will not make me feel stuck and make me feel appreciated.
This response uses STAR, situation, task, action, result, and seems like an honest answer, but the candidate's use of negative words such as stuck, unvalued, and trapped may give the employer the impression the candidate is unprofessional despite giving 2 weeks notice. Let's look at a response that does a better job of conveying the candidate's professionalism while leaving a job.
In my previous job, I was on a team responsible for assembling and inspecting products on a production line. And I'm really interested in learning different aspects of the industry. So I went to my supervisor and we talked about it, and I ended up putting in a 2 weeks notice, but I made sure to train our replacement and left on really good terms from that job. And again, I'm looking for something to expand myself a little bit and to move forward in the industry.
In this response, the candidate was honest and professional. They explained the situation and their desire to move on in a positive way. The response also describes specific actions they took that were professional, such as communication, giving notice, completing tasks, and maintaining good relationships.